Have you ever heard strange noises coming from your car's wheels or felt unusual vibrations while driving? These could be signs of a bad wheel bearing. In today's video, we'll explore the symptoms of a bad wheel bearing, how to recognize them, and what they mean for your vehicle's safety and performance. What is a wheel bearing? First, let's understand what a wheel bearing is and why it's so crucial. A wheel bearing is a set of steel balls or rollers held together by a metal ring, known as a race. It allows the wheels to spin freely with minimal friction and supports the vehicle's weight. Located in the wheel hub, these bearings are essential for smooth driving and stability. Here are the common symptoms of a bad wheel bearing. 1. Noise from the wheel area. One of the most common symptoms of a bad wheel bearing is noise. This can manifest as a humming, grinding, or roaring sound coming from the wheel area. The noise typically gets louder as you accelerate or turn the vehicle. It's often mistaken for tire noise, but if it persists after changing tires or becomes louder with speed, it's likely a wheel bearing issue. To pinpoint the problem, a mechanic may use a stethoscope to listen to the wheel hub while the vehicle is lifted and the wheels are spinning. Vibration or wobbling wheels. Another symptom is vibration or wobbling wheels. This can often be felt through the steering wheel, especially at higher speeds. In severe cases, the entire vehicle may shake. This vibration is due to the uneven rotation of the wheels, which can be caused by a damaged or worn wheel bearing. Checking for wheel play by grabbing the wheel at the 12 and 6 o'clock positions and trying to rock it can also indicate a bad bearing if there is noticeable movement. 3. Uneven tire wear. Uneven tire wear is another indicator of a bad wheel bearing. When a bearing wears out, it can cause the wheel to not sit properly, leading to uneven tire contact with the road. This results in abnormal tire wear patterns, which can reduce the lifespan of your tires and affect your vehicle's handling. Regular tire rotation and alignment checks can help spot these issues early on, but if you notice uneven wear, it's essential to have your wheel bearings inspected. ABS warning light. A malfunctioning wheel bearing can also trigger your ABS warning light. Many modern vehicles have wheel speed sensors integrated with the wheel bearings. If the bearing is failing, it can interfere with the sensor's ability to detect wheel speed accurately, causing the ABS system to malfunction. A diagnostic scan can help identify whether the issue is related to the ABS system or the wheel bearing itself. Dangers of ignoring a bad wheel bearing. Ignoring the symptoms of a bad wheel bearing can lead to serious consequences. A failing bearing can cause the wheel to lock up or even detach from the vehicle while driving. This can result in loss of control and potentially dangerous accidents. Replacing a wheel bearing is a complex job that requires specialized tools and knowledge. It's not something you should delay or attempt without proper experience. Always consult a professional if you suspect your wheel bearings are failing.